Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're most definitely welcome. In this video we're going to be discussing the types of makeup brushes that I learned in school. If you are a fellow esthetician like me, these are some things that you would like to know in regards to the best brushes to use. And this is just like a quick tutorial. This is nothing in depth as of yet, but this is just literally beginner friendly. So let's go ahead and begin and let's get right into this video. So I'm going right out of the book, My Lady, that we learned when I was in school back in fall of 2020. Yes, during the pandemic, but we did the best that we could. I had that in another video, but who cares about that? Let's just right into the nitty gritty of this one here. So in this chapter here, we're going to be talking about the world of makeup, and these are the makeup brushes here. So we're going to talk about the standard brushes, the type of brush that it is, and also its description and use. So what I will do is I'll show you the picture that we have in the book here, and you'll also have in your book as well. And then what I'll do is I will show you like a brush that I have, if I have it here with me. Like I said, short and sweet and to the point. Let's get right into this video. So first things first, we have the powder brush. This is what it looks like here. And what is it used for? Large, soft brush used for blending and to apply powder or blush. Then we're going to have the blush brush. It can look like this, blush brush. So say that 2 times fast, if you will. You know, as you can obviously tell, I am a fast talker, but we're going to do the best that we can here to help you out. Because believe me, I needed the help, and I'm more sure there's somebody out there that needs the help as well. So, smaller, more tapered, a version of the powder brush used for applying powder brush can be and can also be angled. And this here blush brush, this is the Daniel brand. Found this at Ross for like maybe like $4 or $5. Pretty good sturdy brush. I really like it. I like this because if you're a beginner like me, you know, because everything is labeled for you, so you know exactly what it is that you're going to be doing. So that's that. Then we have the concealer brush, super smaller. This says usually narrow and firm with a flat edge, used to apply concealer around the eyes, blemishes, and other areas. Next, we have the kabuki. Don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but the kabuki brush. I think I got this one from Walmart for like $1.99. Pretty good and pretty sturdy as well. This says short brushes with dense bristles for powder or blush. These are mainly used in a circular motion to apply and blend powders. Okay, next we have the eyeshadow brushes, available in variety of sizes and ranges from soft to firm. The softer and larger the brush, the more blended the shadow will be. A firm brush is better for depositing dense color than for blending it. Small brushes are best for darker colors. And then these are some examples here. Different varieties. I got this one from AliExpress, I believe. Super cheap, maybe not even $1, maybe a couple of cents. Pretty good. This one here, AliExpress as well. Probably not even $1. It came into a set. And this one here, let me see. Walmart as well. Maybe not even $1 for this one here. Just to show you an example of some of the brushes in real life instead of just looking at a picture. So that's that one. Okay, so that was the eyeshadow brushes. Next, we have the eyeliner brushes, super thin. Of course, the eye is a super small area, so of course the brushes are going to be really small. Look at the detail here, super small. It says fine tapered firm bristles used to apply liner to the eyes. As you can see here, super small bristles, as you see here, flat, tapered. Look at that. Okay, same brands here, AliExpress, Ross. Pretty good quality brushes there. And then next we have the angled brow brush, firm thin bristles, angled for use on the eyebrows or for eyeliner. And then next we have the lash and brow brush. Don't have much of that in person, but these are just some examples of some of the ones that I have here that I use. LA Colors, probably Dollar Tree for that one. Don't use that too often, but just for the sake of this video. And these here, like I said, those came into a set. Then lastly here we have the lip brush, similar to the concealer brush, but smaller and with a more tapered rounded edge, also used to apply concealer as well. So that's that. And here you go. This is in the World of Makeup chapter in the My Lady's book. For those of you who are currently in esthetician school, if not, you know, fine, still cool to know. Really quickly before I end this video, I just wanted to show you guys another brush that I have. This one here is the angled brush here. Same thing, Walmart, but probably not even $1. If that, pretty good quality brush, nice and soft. That's here. Also from the same Daniel collection from Ross. Maybe like I said, probably not even $5. This is the highlight brush. Like I said, I like these because they tell you what the brush is used for. So that's the highlight brush there. Pretty good quality there. Then next we have the, which one is this one? The large powder brush. Here it is again. Here's around. Like I said, Ross is your best friend if you are just starting out with makeup. Like I said, this is just a beginner friendly video. Then lastly, like I said, don't want it to be too long. This is the total face brush. So I guess if you're a bit more advanced, and you can use this because this is super soft. So of course you cannot use this around the eyes. You cannot use this for lip because obviously it's way too big and it's too soft. So this is like for more if you just want to add something like maybe if it's like a fan brush or something like that. But like I said, that's more advanced videos. I will get into that later. But like I said, this is just this here for you to know what it is that you need to know for anybody who is a beginner. So if you're a teenager, you just want to look at something new, whatever it is, I got you covered. And that's it to end this video. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Be beautiful. And like what my little card brush says, what if I fall? But oh my darling, what if you fly? Have a great day, my beauties. Take care. Be blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Take care. Love you lots. Bye bye.